In this series about psychic attack, we are going to discuss that who are prone to psychic attack, or we can say that whether you are prone to psychic attack. Hi, we are from yogastvidyaRishikesh.com, and our motto is being blissful being. We help people to awaken their consciousness and stay yogast, which means stay wisdomful, blissful, and creative eternally. So Yogi Buddhadev ji is with us, and he will explain a little bit about who are prone to psychic attack.
Yogastha. Everybody is prone to psychic attack without any exception. Everybody, every human being is prone to psychic attack, I would say. But, very good question you have asked. Normally, we give and receive psychic attack in a day-to-day life. We work in offices, corporate sectors, we go to schools, we go to clubs, we go to pubs and bars, we meet people, we encounter different kinds of people, we have friends, and we also have friends, the hidden friends, or you may say the hidden enemy, those who don't like us. So, besides the family members, they definitely don't give us much of psychic attack, but our friends, our second line of, say, society, neighborhood, where we work in the offices, the people over there, and the corporate sectors, marketplaces, everywhere we receive and give psychic attack. We give also, but here we would discuss who are more prone to the psychic attack. So any person who is weak-willed, I would say who has, who does not have a strong will or determination, or he lacks confidence, or his aura is diminished, or his aura is very shrunk, he is more prone to the psychic attack. The person who is not spiritually elevated, he is prone to the psychic attack. The person who lacks kind of faith in himself, he is more prone to the psychic attack. So these persons are more prone to the psychic attack. And secondly, those persons are also under the influence, or they are more prone to the psychic attack, who are very sensitive and they become empath. They become empath in every situation with every person. They are also prone to the psychic attack. So there are many people, and we, as I said in beginning, that we all are prone to the psychic attack. Somehow we receive the psychic attack. So I would say that if you enhance your self-confidence, you know how to protect and defend your aura and to enhance your aura, and if you do some kind of spiritual practices or meditation or some other such spiritual practices, they will definitely make you strong enough to ward off these psychic attacks. But every other person is prone to psychic attack without any exception.
So, sir, are you saying that all our past relationship, especially the love relationship or the intense love or maybe sexual relationship, of whose energy we carry with ourselves, when we are not with them, they are also, is it a possibility that they are also sending psychic attacks to you, to us?
Yes, of course. Yes. The answer is yes and yes only. I say, see, if you have a lover, if you are in a relationship and all, and anyhow your lover is insecure, you have gone somewhere to meet somebody, or you are out of city, or you are attending a party or something, all the time your lover would be thinking, and under the influence of insecurity, oh, he may be having some friendship with other people, or he may be somebody will definitely put him under her or impression and all. That way your lover would be giving you psychic attacks. Because of her or his insecurity, you will be under the influence of psychic attack, because the thought travels. The thought vibrations travels, and they will reach you, whether you know or you don't know. And so most of the lovers, I would say, most of the lovers, they give psychic attack to their counterparts. Most of the lovers, I would say. So they must understand it. And in this very workshop, I would definitely give many measures and tools that the lovers should just stay free from giving psychic attack to each other.
Thank you very much, sir. So we hope our audience have got an idea about who are prone to psychic attack, which eventually is everyone is prone to psychic attack. And we hope the audience has understood this subject. And if you want to know more about how to take care of a psychic attack, then please keep on watching our series. In our upcoming video, we will explain this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Yogi Buddhadev ji.
Thank you very much, Param. Yogas.
Yogas Bhava, and we see you next time.